Hi guys. So data. When we group a data frame, we can group them by a category. So in my data, I will take the country categories. So okay, pandas will group it by itself. But if we want to print, it will give just an object, data frame object grouped by generic data frame object, as you see. We have to make a calculation. We have to apply a calculation on grouped data. Now I will not apply a calculation like mean or standard deviation. I just want to iterate through group data. You will see each group. So in my case it's country. Each group, okay, Zimbabwe. Each country. So the data we have. Let me put it this way. So it will iterate through each of the data frame. China, Afghanistan. The first one we remember is Algeria, Albania. So what next? We can get our data. Let me show you within iteration you can have all the categorical data names like units. Now units will become, be careful here, I'm iterating through that data frame and the grouped category. So group by country. If I will have another category name, column name, like Zambia or any other column name, we will have that categories printed out. So the first units, it can be U, as I showed you, units. It can be any other sign, letter. That's possible in Python loops. Now what I want to show you, you can get the rows by getGroup function. In a group data you can get exact row. I guess it will give me an error because it has no shape. Only. Now I would like to try another size, so let me try it. String object has not. Shape is for data frame. Shape is attribute of data frame. Group data has, I guess, also has not a shape or size. Maybe size can give it. No, size also didn't give. What I wanted to get was the count. Maybe value counts. Get the data frame of China. I can get any other data that I have a category. So look to the second column after region, country is China. I can write as a parameter to get group function any country, any category that I have in group by function. Now if I want to write all our data to CSV or Excel, what I can do, I will show you. Create Excel writer object. Mode will be write because can also be append, but it's a different situation because now it should also have create. So write is better. xlsx engine cannot append. OpenPyXL is better for appending and writing. Let me use tab. And dataframe is country df. Units is only the string. Dataframe has to xl function method. Writer and sheet names. I want sheet names to be the country names, so units. Okay, now let me run this code. Yeah. We check Republic because it's more than 31 characters. There can be, maybe it's not written to Excel, LibreOffice or Excel. Microsoft Excel will have problems when reading them. Here is our data. Look, all countries has been written as a sheet name because I made it to be written for each sheet name, each data frame for separate sheet. If you want to write all, not by sheet names, but I guess it's much more useful to write them, separate them by sheet names. So you cannot loop them, you cannot iterate them, you can use just to Excel to the data frame. So in that case it will be data. Yeah, that's it.